Hey team, whether you're running the barbecue, the committee or both, welcome to Tidy. If you're part of a rugby club connected to your peak body, this quick guide is for you. Tidy helps clubs like yours stay organised, in sync and stress-free, even if you're in your final season. Let's get a quick backstory. So Isaac Jury, the founder of TidyHQ, created this platform because he lived the chaos of committee life, from the disorganised meetings, lost spreadsheets, to classic who's got the keys to the shed vibe. So he built Tidy to centralize everything: events, members, tasks, finances. It's built for volunteers, built for handovers and sport. So let's dive in. You will log into your TidyHQ account, and from here you'll have access to a dashboard. So think of dashboard as like your tactical whiteboard, but only neater. From here you can manage your members, projects and communications in just a few clicks. On your sidebar here, you'll see contacts. You can import your contacts. So for example, from your sideline integration, you could export that and put that into Tidy. Or you can also integrate with sideline. You can contact us for more details. So from here, you can create smart groups. So having smart groups set up allows you to communicate to those groups. So you might have all your coaches in one group, or you might have all your junior committee members or your current committee members in a group as well. You can communicate directly from Tidy as well. So send an email directly to your committee members or to all your members out there. Perhaps the field is closed and you can't train anymore. You might want to send an SMS. If you do use the SMS feature, there will be a slight charge there, but it will quote it before you use it. Email is fine. You have a total of 200 per quota per month to use. So plenty of emails available. The emails are sent from a shared inbox, so please just keep that in mind. If you do have multiple administrations logging into your Tidy account, they will be able to see those communications. This finance is just an area for cash bookkeeping, so you can see all your incomings and all your outgoings. You can create invoices from here, deposits and expenses and so on. Membership, so this is an installed app, so you have the option to install 2 apps from Tidy. So this one has been installed on this particular account. So memberships, if you have memberships, you can put these in here as well. You can put fixed and rolling types of memberships, whether they are individual or family memberships. You can also do that, and they can be paid or not. If you'd like to dive in more deeper, please feel free to contact our support team and we would be more than happy to help you. We also have a shop, so you can set up a shop, put up your merchandise. You've got any polos that you want to sell to your members, you can put a shop on here. They can be available to the public, or you can just make it admin access only. Projects is where all the magic happens. So projects is where you'll communicate with your peak body. So if you're working with Queensland Rugby League, this is where they'll communicate with you. So anything that is outstanding comes to this projects area. And there will be tasks in there for you to action. So if we just head into this little example here, you see I've got a couple of outstanding ones with my peak body here. So I've got to work with my peak body here, and the person that's responsible for this is our president here. And this is what needs to be done. You can come over to this task section. Now you can see these ones have little avatars on them. That means they've been assigned to our president, which is Jasmine. She'll be responsible for ensuring these actions get done and sent to our peak body. So attend an info session and upload some minutes. If I just open these up. So yeah, you can see I need to upload a file and submit that for review. And for this one, I just need to tick when I've done it, like so. And then I'm just going to wait for the project manager to ensure that they sign off on that one. So this is the way you would communicate with Queensland Rugby League. If you just come into this discussion area as well, you can actually send them a message. If you click messages, and if you're unsure of anything, you can just message them directly. So it essentially replaces that email. It's all kept in one area, and you've got a trail if they've responded to you or not. If we head over to the tasks area as well, this gives you an overview of all the tasks for your organisation or your club. So if we head in here, this is what we have outstanding for our club. And you'll see who's responsible for what too. So if they're to do with any projects, they'll say if they are. So you can see we've got this connected project with the peak body. Currently, these tasks aren't assigned to any of our roles, so everyone is essentially responsible for this. So if you were to assign it to a role, it would show here like so. So the president is responsible for this one, which is the one I just showed you before, uploading those 2024 AGM minutes. You can also create web pages as well. It's super easy to use within Tidy. If you don't have any website set up, then you can use Tidy to have your website set up here. You can ask our support team to help you set that up as well. Check out our apps to see what you'd like to install. Perhaps you want to install the events so you can create and run professional events for your club. They can be public events, they can be free, they can be paid tickets as well. You can use Zoom to integrate with your meetings app as well. So if you're using the meetings in Tidy, you can also use the Zoom with that. TidyConnect is an instant messaging mobile app. So we integrate with them as well. It's a really easy tool to use. So instead of using Facebook Messenger or like WhatsApp, you can use TidyConnect, and it will carry over your groups from your contact section here. So it will use all those CRM details. And then you've got meetings here. This is a really powerful tool for your committee members, keeping everyone on the same page. Again, you would need to ensure that everyone has their roles all up to date. Use the storage as a shared place to keep your important files in a safe location. So that would be anything from your PDF files. Zapier is an automation tool that allows you to automate some of your workflows as well. If you would like to hear about that more, please feel free to contact us. So if you want to customize your own web domain to the Tidy web pages, you can also do that here too. And as I mentioned before, you can customize a mail domain as well for sending and receiving emails. So that would be that communicate function there. Please note that your admin team will also have access to that. You can ignore this because this doesn't relate to any of the rugby clubs. Also ignore this one. If you're using Slack as a communication tool, you can push your activities to your Slack channels. You can track your analytics as well for any of your public pages. We also have a code reader, so event barcode scanning as well. And soon we'll also be integrating with Xero for your finances. And then we also have a Dropbox backup. If you need any help, just click this help and support here, or click this little chat box. You can search for help here too. We've got so many support articles available for you. Then also, if you head over to our community forum, please join our Facebook group, as you can hear from insights from other club members as well on how they're using their Tidy, and perhaps you can implement some of their ideas into your Tidy account too. This TidyHQ account is all for your club, so this is just access for your club only. So anyone that has administration access will be able to see this dashboard and so on. So if you need to fix that up, come to your admins over here, and then you can give them full access, or you can give them access to certain locations. Do you only want them to have access to contacts and nowhere else? You can also do that. And then with your admins, ensure they are assigned to the roles. So if you need some roles set up, we're more than happy to help you set those up as well. We hope you enjoy Tidy. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. So it's built by people who's been on committees for people who are on committees. You've got enough to do, so let Tidy handle the admin so you can get back to the game. We hope to see you using Tidy, and please feel free to reach out to our support team.